So, during our little visit to Holmfirth, Alan has had to be involved with trying to back a lorry out of a very, very narrow lane. All adds to the excitement, I guess. Poor guy. Come all the way from Poland. And it's a very, very tight, narrow road.
Because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones.
So, as you might have noticed, or maybe Helen's already said, we're in Holmfirth. This is famous as for an old TV programme called Last of the Summer Wine. But the building behind me is the picture drome. It was built in 1912 and has been a source of entertainment ever since. Many big live performing artists still come here. A few weeks ago, Tyre Wilcox made a return, and probably was hopefully slightly more dressed than Tyre and Robert's Sunday lunch. If you check that out on YouTube, she is sort of making a pointed appearance on a few of them videos. But yeah, it's a nice little village. It's something to come and see. We just had a bit of drama as I tried to help a Polish truck driver who reversed down a very narrow road because there was no way he was getting around the corner. But hopefully somebody would do that for me one day if I was in Brian. But yeah, we're going to go and grab a beer and maybe something to eat. Oh, I've got jaspers around my legs, sorry for jiggling.
On my own, but you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold.
So what have you got?
I have Farmer's Blonde and you have Tetley Cascale. I think we've deserved it after all the shenanigans of you managing to back that. What's it around the corner?
Yeah, and a night at work. Get in at 5, get up at 10. That'll be enough.
And a pint. What more do you need?
And we're at the Elephant and Castle in Holmfirth.
Yes.
I am.
There we go.
Got brewery, tap house. I have got a Murky Light hazy pale ale. Yeah, it's juicy, but it's dry, dusty, quite bitter.
And I have got a psychokinesis, and it says it's pineapple, mango and coconut, and it's just very, very refreshing. And what's more to the point is that the very lovely lady has provided us with a bowl of water and some lovely, lovely dog biscuits. She's a very lovely